Alright, I'm here to try out the Harbor Freight Lens Restorer Kit to try to restore this yellow lens on my wife's VW Beetle. As you can see, it's really yellow. So I picked up the kit at Harbor Freight for $9.99 with 20% off coupon. It was $7.99. And this is what you get in the kit. You get comes in a bag. Inside the bag are directions. Pretty simple. It's a two-step process. You sand for plastic lenses and then you polish. If it's a glass, you just polish, but on this, which has a plastic lens, it'll be sanding and then polishing. You also get a backup plate for your drill, which attaches to your cordless drill, and you get two resurfacing pads, and you get one polishing pad, which is the last step. So for this, and you also get this Headlight lens repair cream. That's the polishing cream. So I'm going to give this a try. You can see it's really yellow on my wife's lens, so give it a try. Go by directions, and it's 3 minutes per step. So we'll check it out and see how it works. Alright, here we are at the end of step one, which is the sanding down of the lens. As you can see, you use water with the sanding paper and kind of makes a slurry that gets all over the place. But I did it for 3 minutes as directed, and now we move on to the next stage, which is the polishing. And there we have it. After 3 minutes of polishing and rinsing it and wiping it dry, this is the end product. Not bad for $7.99 and 6 minutes of time. Not bad at all. So again, this was a look at the Harbor Freight Headlight Restore Kit. Looks like this. CCP comes in a bag with instructions on the back. $7.99 from Harbor Freight, and that's what you see. Not too bad.